Hey guys, welcome back to another new video, and this one's going to be a really quick one. Basically, I decided to do this when I was editing another video. Just want to quickly show you guys how to put multiple files in Adobe Premiere and sync them up. This one right here is from my Zoom H4n. Then I also have two from my DSLR, and the reason why I have two is because if you don't have Magic Lantern on a DSLR, it likes to separate it into multiple clips, which is fine because this will sync everything up. And then I have a little bit of footage from a GoPro in this one. And basically what you want to do is you want to take your last file first. So last file on the chain right here, select that, shift, select that one, right click, synchronize, audio track 1, okay, and it'll process. And then I'm going to do the second DSLR clip. The thing that sucks about this is you can only do one clip of video and audio at the same time. If you try to select multiple different tracks, it doesn't allow you to synchronize it. I don't know why. I feel like it should. It does if you do like multicam mode, but I don't like doing that, so I just do it this way. And again, just do my GoPro, synchronize, okay. And you can see right there that knocked everything out of whack, so let me undo that. And the reason why it screwed that up right there is because it'll move the audio track to the right, but it won't move it to the left. And the reason why it does that is to stop videos from running into each other, which is why I started with the last one first. But obviously my GoPro footage is around this spot somewhere, so I'm just going to move my GoPro footage down to the start, just so that way I don't accidentally do that again. Right click, synchronize, track 1. And you can obviously see the second time too, it'll process a lot faster. And it'll go ahead and put it in the right spot. So anytime you have problems to where your timeline is moving up, then your footage should be further to the left. Basically, you just want to stack all of your footage over here at the start, so that way you don't have that issue. But it's not really that big of a deal to do it a second time. And then I'm just going to take everything, move it over here. And then just to double check, we are going to pull everything in and make sure everything is linked up. Which it looks like everything right here is pretty on point. And yeah, this is just a lot faster than trying to manually do it, and it gets a lot more accurate. You can see that there's other audio from other stuff. But yeah, looks pretty on point to me. You just want to double check it, make sure it doesn't run off at all towards the end, because sometimes different audio formats will come into Adobe Premiere a little bit weird, and sometimes you have to time stretch it. But I didn't really have that issue here. It all worked out just fine. So yeah, that's how you do that. Like I said, just a quick video. I was getting ready to edit this video that I'm editing now, and I decided I was just going to throw this one in here kind of as a bonus video this week. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and leave a like on it. Subscribe if you want more content like this, and I will see you guys next time.